welcome to the 0.1 times 10 to the second annual physics games.
Of course, Joe, that is in scientific notation.
Indeed. Live from Northville, Michigan, I'm your host, Joe Missud, and alongside me is world-renowned physics expert Ian J. First up, we have Harry Potter, hailing all the way from the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry.
And it seems as though her initial velocity is quite sufficient to make her a completed 360-degree arc across the floor.
And next up is Spider-Man with a somewhat mediocre flip. He's going to have trouble advancing with that performance.
Yes, Joe.
And next up is Superwoman with... Oh my god, did she just use no arm? She was able to accomplish this because her mass remains constant, and since she had a faster velocity than the other competitors, her momentum also increased, and as such she was able to do the flip with no hand. And the Lion King with his spectacular performance. And here we have the Lion King getting ready for his performance on the uneven bars, hoping to continue his...
Wait a second, Joe. Stop that clip. Her clapping of the hands are quite interesting to find the force of impact between each hand. Using our monitors, we can find the equation delta P over delta T equals force of impact.
And the Lion King is up with what seems to be a somewhat unsuccessful performance, but he gets one more try before receiving a 0 on the event.
It seems as though the Lion King, again, does not have enough momentum to get around the bars. Her problem can be remedied, however, if she increases her velocity. For we know this, that the equation momentum equals mass times velocity, seeing as momentum and velocity are vectors.
And Superwoman continues to dominate the competition with a super-tacular performance on the bars.
Well, her velocity is sufficient to give her the momentum to propel her around the bars.
And Harry Potter is on the trampoline with... Ooh, not done so well. Not a very magical performance by Harry Potter tonight.
Yes, Joe, it does seem he has left his firebolt at home today.
And the King of the Jungle has a solid performance on the trampoline. And Superwoman is up with a... Oh my god!
Impeccable!
Absolutely
Impeccable!
Wonderful!
No scientific data can properly describe this performance tonight.
We have a wonderful example of momentum here from the explosion between Superwoman and the trampoline. Realizing that momentum is conserved in all explosions and collisions, we can find Superwoman's initial momentum after leaving the trampoline by realizing that the momentum of the total system will be equal to the momentum of Superwoman plus the momentum of the trampoline.
She obviously just cheated.
Obviously.
This is a real accomplishment for me. You know, I used my momentum. That's what I think got me through the whole thing. I just kicked butt.